You're in college, broke again, staring at another bowl of ramen. That shiny little plastic card feels like a cheat code to escape being broke, right? You swipe it, and suddenly you feel like you're winning the game. But in the background, invisible chains are quietly locking you in. Everyone told us credit builds independence. Get a card, start your credit history, be a grown-up. It sounds like the next level of adulting, right? But really, it's like stepping into a trap disguised as freedom. What you don't see is how credit card companies actually hunt students. They know you'll swipe first and think later. They're playing chess with your future, while you're playing checkers with your present. It's not an accident, it's their strategy. At first your balance feels small and manageable. Making minimum payments feels like progress, like you're responsible. But you're really running on a hamster wheel, sweating, hustling, but not moving forward. That's the trap they set. What if I told you debt isn't adulthood? It's their business plan. You think you're leveling up, but they're cashing in on your future self. Every swipe today is a payday for them tomorrow. That's the real game you're in. If you do nothing now, you'll pay way more later. Carrying debt into your 30s means delayed freedom, bigger stress, and dreams put on pause. But you can break free if you start today. You've got the power to flip the script. The average college grad leaves school with not just student loans, but over $3,000 in credit card debt. That's before the first paycheck even lands. Hey guys, I'm Sam. Welcome back to Sam, the finance channel where smart money moves start here. Hit that subscribe button if you're ready to stop being broke and start building freedom. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Today we're breaking down why credit cards keep college guys broke, what Dave Ramsey says about it, and how you can flip the script. Stay with me, take notes. Because if you miss this, you'll stay stuck. Bro, credit cards ain't free money. It feels like swiping is just play money, but not a trap waiting to snap on you. It's like borrowing sneakers from a friend, but every day you don't return them, he charges you rent. Imagine paying rent for sneakers, man. APR is usually 20% or higher. That's like for every $100 you borrow, they snatch $20 from you every year just for existing. Now picture this graduating with zero debt versus walking into the real world already chained to $5,000 of credit card debt. Big difference, right? You think swiping that plastic is freedom, but bro, it's really just a leash around your neck. They're walking you, not the other way around. Like Dave Ramsey says, debt is dumb, and credit cards are the dumbest of all. Don't let plastic own you, bro. Be the boss of your money. Bro, let's say you owe $1,000 on your credit card. The bank says, chill, just pay $25 a month. Sounds easy, right? But here's the catch: if you only do that, it's gonna take you years to pay off, and you'll end up paying double. It's like running on a treadmill that never stops. Paying minimum feels like progress, but really, you're just paying rent to the bank. They're the landlord, and you're stuck in their trap. Meanwhile, you're still broke, eating ramen noodles, while the bank is eating steak with your money. Feels unfair, right? Every month you only pay the minimum. The shackles just get tighter. You're not free or chained down. That's why Ramsey says don't play with this stuff. Pay it off fast, like your hair's on fire. Because freedom feels way better than debt. Imagine walking across that graduation stage not just with a diploma, but with cash actually sitting in your account. That's a flex way bigger than swiping a card for sneakers you're still paying off. Picture going on spring break, and it's your money paying for that trip, not visas. That hits different when you're chilling on the beach knowing nobody owns your vibe. The thing is, swiping now feels good for 5 minutes, but that regret later lasts for years. Saving now and flexing later is the move that actually hits different. Debt-free life isn't about flashy stuff. It's about waking up without stress and actually being free to choose what you want to do. That's real freedom, bro. When you're not chained to payments, you can chase opportunities, take risks, even travel without guilt. That's what living free actually feels like. Like Dave Ramsey says, live like no one else now, so later you can live like no one else. That's the ultimate glow up for your future self. Yo, banks ain't handing out rewards because they like you. They build these flashy points and cashback deals just to reel you in like bait on a hook. Those points sound like free money, but the interest they slap on you? That eats way more cash than any reward ever gives back. You think you're outsmarting the system, stacking up points like a champ. But real talk, the system is outsmarting you every time. It's like a mouse thinking it scored cheese, but in reality it's stepping right into a trap it can't escape. The truth is, banks don't lose. They design the game so you play, and they always cash out. Real hustle. It's not chasing points, it's keeping your cash safe in your pocket, not sliding it to the bank. Bro, if you start investing just $200 a month while you're in college, By the time you hit retirement, you could be sitting on over $1 million. That's like future you flexing without even trying. But if that same $200 is just going to pay off credit card debt, bro, you got nothing left. It's like working hard just to keep the bank rich, not you. Every time you swipe that plastic, you're literally stealing from your future self. It's like robbing your 30-year-old version of the life he could have had. Imagine your 30-year-old self pulling up to thank you, saying, "Bro, thanks for not being broke." That's the kind of respect your future self will actually give you. The trick is simple: knock out the debt first, then invest like crazy. Don't let those credit cards slow down your money game, so, bro, start now. Invest early, live smart, and let future you live free instead of broke. Bro, the first move is simple: stop swiping that card if you can't trust yourself. Literally cut it up and toss it, out of sight, out of mind. Better no plastic than living chained to debt forever. Because freedom starts with removing temptation. Build yourself a $500 safety net. That little stash isn't about flexing or showing off. It's about staying calm when life throws you curveballs. With even a small cushion, you're less likely to reach for the card again when emergencies hit. Now it's grind time, side hustles, man. Uber, DoorDash, campus gigs, freelancing, anything legal and ethical that stacks cash counts. Flip those late nights into money moves and watch your debt shrink instead of grow. Instead of swiping it to AM for takeout, flip that time into hustle mode. Those random cravings drain your wallet and energy, but channeling that same energy into earning or learning puts money in your pocket. Every time you choose hustle over impulse, you're building discipline and stacking wins. The key is small wins. Every little victory builds momentum, and momentum beats perfection every single time. Progress is addictive. Once you start stacking wins, you'll want to keep going. Breaking free isn't about doing it all at once, bro. It's about making moves today that your future self will thank you for tomorrow. Every step, no matter how small, is you rewriting your money story for good. Dave Ramsey always says, act your wage. Basically, stop trying to live like you're balling when your bank account is screaming broke. Don't flex with money you don't even have. That fake flex always comes back to bite harder than you think. The real flex: having savings stacked, not swiping credit cards like you're rich for the weekend. Flexing with debt is basically renting clout. You look cool for a minute, but the bill always comes due. Being different now, saving, hustling, and living smart means your future self will be high-fiving you, not hating you. So remember, don't just chase vibes, chase freedom. That's what the OGs like Ramsey have been preaching all along. So, credit cards keep college guys broke because they look like freedom but act like shackles. Minimum payments, interest, fake rewards, it's all a trap. The real flex: freedom, not debt. Smash that like button. Subscribe to Send the Finance channel, where smart money moves start here. And share this with your broke college roommate. Drop your worst credit card story below. Let's get real in the comments. This is Sam reminding you, the best money move is the one that sets you free. Peace.